Hey guys, my name is Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to close an above-ground pool for the winter. This video will explore everything you'll need and provide a step-by-step process that will leave your above-ground pool perfectly closed for the winter. So, make sure you stick around for that. What you're going to need. Being in a position to properly close your pool is very important, especially during the harsh winter conditions. This will be a proper move to protect your pool from winter damage, and also save you time during your spring cleanup. You will need a shield pump protector, Winterizer, ice equalizer pillow, safety cover, skimmer plug, and cover seal. Once you have everything you need, here are the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Do a deep clean. It's very important to carry out a thorough deep clean of your above-ground pool early before winterizing. Brush down and vacuum the interior, and skim for any debris that may be floating on the surface. Well, doing this will prepare your water in the pool for the last balancing just before winterizing, which will play a crucial role in preventing the growth of mold, algae, and other attackers that can grow during the winter. So it will be safe if you clean your pool more now, something that will make it easy for you to clean your pool during the spring. Step 2. Do a water balance. Proper balancing of water in advance of closure will aid in ensuring that your pool is perfectly prepared to overcome those winter months. When you balance your water, you'll be ensuring effective optimization of winter pool chemicals. You'll also need to test the water in your pool just after cleaning to establish a baseline. To do this, you'll be required to buy test strips of your own. Once you establish the chemistry of your pool, you can then go ahead to balance the pH of the water to between 7.2 and 7.6. Calcium hardness should be between 200 and 350 ppm, and alkalinity between 80 and 120 ppm. Another thing that you should take note of is not to cover the pool if there's some chlorine left in your pool, since it may harm the cover. Step 3. Add winterizing chemicals. When you add winterizing chemicals to your pool, it helps in preventing the growth of algae, thus helping your pool in holding up to the elements. You should consider choosing a winterizing product that matches your pool size. Prior to closing your pool, add winter tabs and a winterizer. While doing so, make sure to use the correct dosage. Place the winter tab dispensers in a well-secured place, and make sure they're not close to the pool liner, and then pour the winterizer into the pool. Step 4. Add in pump protector. Use the pump protector through the skimmer, and then allow the pump to run for 10 seconds, then shut it off, and let it sit for an hour. This is an effective way to protect your pump against corrosion by lubricating the interior seals, thus preventing them from drying, as well as cracking from pool chemicals. Moreover, to protect your pool, it's important to remove the return fitting. Eyeball, then plug it together with the winter return plug. You'll also need to seal the skimmer opening using a skimmer plug that correctly fits your pool. You are, however, not required to lower your pool water level. If you decide to do so, go to the bottom edge of the skimmer. Step 5. Protect your skimmer and your return. It's a good idea to seal off the return as well as the skimmer to your pool. You should not leave your return and skimmer since they can be susceptible to ice damage. When lowering the water, make sure you block the skimmer and return so that it does not damage your pool. Step 6. Preparing filter for hibernation. Disconnect all filter hoses while preparing for the winter ahead. Additionally, drain and clean the filter, and then store them indoors. For filter and cartridge, please soak the inside units of the filter for up to 24 hours just before storing them for the winter. Step 7. Pool clearing. Make sure you remove all materials from the pool. For instance, mats, ladder, alarms, and lights, among others. Remove the debris for one last time. Step 8. Put up ice equalizer pillow. Blow up the equalizer pillow to 3/4 full. Then put the equalizer at the center of the pool. Using the cover rope, tie the ice equalizer in place, or you can attach it to the pool cover to prevent shifting during the winter season. Ice equalizer is crafted to absorb the pressure of the ice. Step 9. Cover your pool. Cover your pool using the right size cover and use cover clips, a cable, and locking winch. If you're in an area with high wind, it would be prudent to use a winter cover seal to stop the wind from damaging your pool cover. So, there you have it. Closing an above-ground pool for the winter is the best thing you can do to protect your pool from damage. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure to drop them below and like this video while you're at it. Until next time.